Dizzy from the way this world is turning, turning. Different from the way our mothers told us. Can't seem to figure out which way is up or down. Can you point me in the right direction now? We're all just trying to find our place, but each day could go a million ways. I guess we're all running the same way. We'll make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out. And it might be harder than it seems, but catching up to all our dreams. And we'll make it up as we go now, go now, go now. Make it up as we go now, go now, go now. Everybody's looking for the answer. For all the questions they're afraid to ask. Can't seem to
Sinusuot ko siya nung una parang medyo makulit lang. Sa umpisa parang yung una naming pagkakakilala, tapos nung bandang huli parang doon ako medyo natatouch. Ewan ko nga kung mamaya sa simbahan, baka maiyak ako. Hindi ko lang sure, pero sana gusto ko, ayaw maiyak.
We'll make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out. And it might be harder than it seems, but catching up to all our dreams. And we'll make it up as we go now.
Baby, I love you. Enjoy ka lang po. Napakalaman dito! Tama ba talaga niya? Yan, short by sweet.
It isn't about the destination. It's
Okay, baby. Wow, baby. My God. See you later. Ito na yung pinapangarap mo kasi alam ko namang pinapangarap mo ko. Ayun, see you later and I'm so excited to see you. Huwag kang iiyak mamaya pero feeling ko maiiyak ka din. I love you. See you.
make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out. And it might be harder than it seems, but we're catching up to all our dreams. And we'll make it up as we go now. We'll shake it up until we figure it all out. And it might be harder than it seems, but we're catching up to all our dreams. And we'll make it up as we go now, go now, go now. We're making it up as we go now, go now, go now. We're making it up as we go.
Third year high school tayo nung una tayong nagkakilala. Naalala mo pa ba yung pasimple mo akong tinitingnan gamit ang mahiwaga mong salamin? Naalala mo pa ba gumawa ka ng way para makuha yung cellphone ng number ko? Tapos ang nag-reply sa'yo si mama.
Wild lace, wildflower bouquet, and a dress I can't afford.
Oo naman. Grabe. Actually, nung nag-start high school yon. Kumbaga parang nag-set talaga ako ng timeline sa gusto ko, kailan ako gagraduate, kailan ako magkakaroon ng ganito, ganyan, kailan ako magbo-boyfriend. Meron ako nun, kailan ako magbo-boyfriend, tapos kailan ako ikakasal. Gamit ang salamin na hawak ko. Saktong nakangiti siya. At sa isang ngiting iyon, naging crush ko na siya. Oo na, ngayong araw na ito, aaminin ko na unang araw pa lang ay crush na kita.
Hi baby, this gift symbolize that this is the moment and right time for us. Naku, ang ganda ng message na akin eh. Thank you for always making time for us. But for us, see you later, I love you. Love your soon to be Mrs. Lazaro. Baby, Sandra, sana maging masaya ka ngayon, sana enjoy lang tayo. Ngayong ikakasal na tayo, sana hindi man tayo maging perfecto na mag-asawa, pero sana hindi nating susukuan yung isa't isa kung may dumating man sa ating problema. Baby, mahal na mahal kita, sobra. Ito na yung day na para sa atin.
And that's what love is. Yeah, it's a promise for a lifetime. More than a ring on our finger, it's more than a night in our story. It's a chapter.
And now, here we are today in front of God, of our loving family, and our dearest friends. I vow to take care of you always, most especially when you're sick. I'll try to cook a perfect sinigang for you kasi mas mabilis kang gumaling pag sinigang ang ulam mo.
God, I can't
Sandra
wait
Lee,
till
bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si JP na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Darling, take my hand and we'll slow dance through all of it.
Sabi ng Panginoon sa atin sa Ebanghelyo, kayo ay hindi na dalawa, kayo ay iisa. Dahil meron na lang kayong iisang buhay na itataguyod, iisang buhay na pagsasaluhan. Kaya ang inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa ay pagbibigay ng sarili, pagbibigay ng buhay. Kayo ang buhay ng isa't isa. JP, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Sandra Lee na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Feeling ko kumpleto na ako. Yung ganong pakiramdam na kumbaga kasi parang na-achieve ko na yung mga nauna kong timeline, ginoal sa buhay ko. Tapos parang ito na lang yung parang kulang dun sa timeline na yon, na binigyan ko ng timeline na yon. Tapos ngayon, eto na. So, sobrang happy ko. Sobrang saya ko and excited for this big day.
Habang buhay, hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa wakas, wala kayong ibang gagawin. Wala kayong ibang gagawin, kundi mahalin, paglingkuran ang isa't isa habang kayo ay nabubuhay. Amen.
I promise to love you, every version of yours. For love is the thing that will bond our marriage together in perfect unity. May God bless our marriage. I love you, my Mr. Lazaro. Your loving wife, Sandra Lynn Buenaventura Lazaro.